Welcome to this tutorial on registering online with electricity. Today I will show you how to register your electricity meter account on our customer portal. To begin, you will need the most recent copy of your electricity bill. This bill will contain all the information you need to register. You can get a copy of your most recent electricity bill from our customer service team at any of our office locations or by calling our customer service hotline numbers located on our website. Today, I will be using Chrome as my internet browser. However, there are alternatives such as Internet Explorer, Firefox, and Safari, just to name a few. First, let's navigate to the address bar and type BVIElectricity.com. Then hit enter or whichever command that allows you to search on the device you're using. When the website loads, you may be greeted by pop-ups. We do advise that you read through our pop-ups as they contain informative content. Please do read. To register, let's navigate to the top section of the home page and click the Register tab. Once you click on the Register tab, you will be taken to the registration page of a customer portal. First, type a username of your choice. In this example, I will be registering John Doe. We suggest that you use a continuous set of characters with no spaces and in lowercase letters. This helps with easily remembering your username and allowing you to focus more on remembering your password. Type your first name and then your last name. Now you can type the display name, preferably same as the first name. In this example, I will use John as a display name. Each account requires an email address. Therefore, you must use your preferred email address. In this example, I will use johndoe@bvelectricity.com. It is time to create a password. To be successful, you must use the same password in both password fields. Keep in mind that passwords must be a minimum of 7 characters and a maximum of 20. Once you have finished with the creation of your password, type your security code exactly as it appears. That is, lowercase and uppercase letters where necessary. This is done as a security measure. The account information section. In this section, you are required to have the electricity bill mentioned earlier in this video. Type the account number displayed on your electricity bill. Pay close attention to the formatting on your left, which illustrates the format in which the account number should be in. Now, it is time to type the full name as it appears on your bill. Please be aware of the number of spaces between characters, symbols, and numbers. Also, be mindful of lowercase and uppercase letters. Type the postal code as it appears. You are required to enter the meter number as it appears. If the meter number starts with leading zeros, be sure to include them. Lastly, confirm that all the information you entered is correct. When finished, click the Register button at the bottom of the registration page, and you're done. If you encounter difficulty registering, our customer service team is available to assist you during our regular working hours, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Alternatively, we do encourage you to read the frequently asked questions section of our website for assistance. Welcome to the new way of viewing, monitoring, and paying bills. Thank you for watching.